to final A. From 4th to 7th, he will be on final B.
Yes.
On the B final. And the way they go, clean start for everyone, no false starters today.
Don't start Orlando announcing this. Let's try to avoid this situation, obviously. But yesterday we have three repetitions in the same race. It's not usual at all.
Svinarev looking strong. He's leading. And then Neve for Denmark. Pettinger for Czech Republic. Oh, it's close with lane 6, Tsitsipadze. Unofficial is Svinarev, Tsitsipadze second, but let's wait for the results. So into the final, who will win the race? That's the excitement of the 200 meters. Powerful strokes from Svinarev. It will be first for him, for Tsitsipadze. In third place, it's between Neve and in 9. Neve in lane 3 for Denmark and Hungary in lane 9. Let's wait. It's Hungary for 0.03 of a second.